guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video here I am with some skincare products, and all of these skincare products is from the brand Lakme. I have the Lakme moisturizer, I have their newly launched face toner, and then I also have this clay face mask. So all of these three newly launched from Lakme brand. And if you're looking for, if you're planning to upgrade your skincare routine, or if you're looking for certain skincare products, then you should watch this video. All of these products are newly launched and it belongs to Lakme 925 Matte Moist range. So yes guys, it is Lakme 925 Matte Moist range, and under this range you will get three different skincare products. These are the mattifying moisturizer, then the other one is mattifying face toner with green tea, and the third one is mattifying, it's a matte moist clay face mask with green tea. So all of these three products has green tea ingredient in it, and the toner is also alcohol free, by the way. It is green tea and it gives you matte finish, and it has all the good things. So we will see how these products works. And of course we all know that Lakme is a brand that doesn't make a lot of expensive products. Also, all of these Lakme products are easily available at any of the local beauty store in big cities, small cities. It's available everywhere. So let's get started. Of course summer is coming soon, so we tend to get a lot of sweat and oil, and due to all that pollution and dirt, and our skin definitely needs some suitable skincare product to deal with this. I always like to start my skincare routine from clean and dry face, and I like to wash my face with Pond's face wash. It's charcoal activated face wash, so that works for me. And then on clean dry face I like to apply this clay face pack, and this is a face mask. This is how it looks, and this one is priced at 299 rupees, and this is how it looks. It has beautiful light green kind of natural color. This is formulated in the combination of clay, and it has the pure green tea extract in it. So this is what it claims, and this is how the texture looks like. It has a little bit green tea kind of greenish. It's just like a moisturizer. It doesn't feel like clay or something. Usually clays and all will be more like drying kind of texture, but this has more like moisturizing texture, which is really nice. Next I'm going to be applying this one all over my face, and we will let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries up, and after that I'll wash my face. So I can easily apply this with the help of my fingers. I don't need any brush or something to apply this face pack. So you can just use your finger and blend this. It has very soft and moisturizer like texture, so it is very easily blendable. It's not like typical clay and multani mitti kind of texture, so it's very smooth. Also it has this green tea extract in it, which is really good for healing acne prone and kind of skin and sensitive skin. So this is really nice formula. If you have dry skin and you tends to get oily maybe at certain portion of your face, then you can also apply this face pack only to the certain areas. Let's say if your skin get oily in the T-zone area, then you can apply this face pack only to the certain area, and you can target that oily skin, and you can work like that, deep cleansing the dirt and impurities from the pores. So this is helpful in that way. So I think this is something this skincare requirement is needed for all skin type people. And you can apply this face mask weekly twice. It depends on your schedule, your lifestyle. If you are more into traveling and all, then you should apply this face mask or any kind of face mask more frequently. And I would recommend to apply face mask at the night time, because at the night time the skin gets a sufficient amount of time to heal, and peacefully all the products that you apply on your skin, all the skincare products that get absorbed and absorbed into your skin. So yeah, night time is the best time to do any kind of skincare. So guys, it's been 10 minutes and now I'm gonna wash my face with, and we should not wash our face with any face wash or any soap after applying the face pack. You just need to wash it with only water, like you can use a lukewarm water. Next time, after applying the face pack, I like to use this matte mist toner. So this is again a toner which is infused with green tea in it, and it is alcohol free. And once you apply this on your face, it will give you matte finish. So this is really good thing about the toner, because it has all that, the formula of this toner is really, I would say it's new, because it has all these three important things, that if you're someone who is looking for like a toner that can give you matte finish look, like a non-shiny look on your skin, then definitely you can go for this toner. Of course, it's summer, so sometimes in fact for the dry skin people or any kind of skin type, so this is the toner that will help you to control the sweat and remove all that shine from your face, visible greasy things from your face, because this toner has certain matte finish in it. So you can, if you feel like your face looks very shiny, then you can just spritz this off on your face, and it's very lightweight and all on your skin, so you can easily wear this and it will refresh your face, and it also tightens the skin pores. So if you have like a large skin pores issues, then you can try this toner. Yeah, this is something that I like. And next, after applying the toner, you can apply your moisturizer like in any kind of regular skincare routine. When we apply the face pack, the skin pores gets opened up. So that's why we need a toner to tighten the skin pores. And after applying the toner, we really need to lock the moisture. That's why we moisturize our face, right? So for the moisturizer, I have this Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Mattifying Moisturizer. Again, as I said, this moisturizer also comes with green tea extract in it, and it's very nice. It has like really gel-like formula which is non-sticky, and after you apply this on your face, it will give you matte finish. It won't feel sticky or greasy on your skin. It has like gel-like texture, so it's also very lightweight, and you can easily wear it underneath your makeup. If you have this oily skin or combination skin, then you can try this moisturizer, guys. You will love it, because it will give you matte finish that you really need. You want that shine-free look. And if you do have like dry skin, then you can also try out this moisturizer, because during summers I would recommend this moisturizer for the dry skin people also, because it is not greasy, or it is not very creamy or something or sticky that will feel heavy on your skin. During summers, we really need these kind of gel-like and hydrating kind of feeling on the skin. So this is that kind of moisturizer. You can definitely apply it on your face. And yeah, these are the things that I wanted to share through this video. Overall, all of these products gives you matte finish at the end. And that's all, guys. That's all I wanted to share through this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, find it helpful, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can stay connected with me on my Instagram, and if you have any queries related to any of these products, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm always there to reply you guys, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.